iFMS has the ability to categorize shipments as either direct versus indirect. What does this mean? A direct shipment means that it's your shipment, it's your customer, and you are in charge. An indirect shipment means that it's overseas customer and they're in charge, and you're doing some sort of handling on your side. By categorizing the system as direct versus indirect, you're able to then see in your income statement and various other reports which is deriving more profit. Because in general, you'll make a larger profit margin on your direct customers, but it's easier to come by indirect shipments. And you want to know what's best for your company. Where should you focus? In this video, we'll show you how to create invoices in the system. Step 1 is to enter either a house BL, master BL, airway bill, or other shipment. Then you'll go to, once you click Edit, you'll go to the Billings tab. In here, you'll see you have sections for sales and cost. Because we're issuing an invoice, this will be determined as sales. This is what you'll issue to your customer. To issue a new invoice, press the New and Issue Invoice button. The number of the invoice will automatically be generated once we save. You need to type who the invoice is to. And we can begin adding billing codes. Note, I don't have to type air freight, as the system knows I'm already in an air import file. We can continue to add lines as we go. Note, by default, it's selected Sales IDS because it's an indirect shipment. You do have the options for Collect for Agent. However, unless you have a very special reason, you do not want to use that option. Duty Customer, specifically for dealing with duty, so unless you are charging duty to the customer, do not use it. Simply use the default, and you can go from there. I'll go ahead and press Confirm. And we've successfully saved it. If I want to, I can print this invoice. And then email it to my customer. Hi, in this video, we'll show you how to enter cost. In our system, we enter costs in what we call bills. First step is to edit your airway bill or bill of lading or other shipment, and then go to the Billings tab. I've already arrived here. Once from there, we can go to this Costs section and press New. From here, we can put in our bill number. So the bill number is the invoice number from your vendor. So I'm going to go ahead and put an imaginary one here. Something like that. Put our actual vendor here, and then I can begin adding billing codes. As with invoices, you simply put in the freight charge. The system already knows that you're in air import. Put your rate here. We'll say something like $80, and we can add additional charges if we choose. Say there was some special document fee from the airline, etc. Once we've completed, we'll press Confirm. And you have saved your bill. System will ask you if you want to create another one right away. In this case, we'll select No. In this video, we'll go over the creating of an agent's credit and debit notes. As with the other sales and costs, step 1 is to edit your airway bill, bill of lading, or other shipment, and go to the Billings tab. From here, you can press New CRDD to create a new credit or debit note. If we go here and press Add Line, we have the option to select Debit Memo or Credit Memo. The other options we won't focus on at the moment, as they're rarely used. Debit Memo means that we are going to collect money from our agent. Credit Memo means we're going to give money to our agent. I'm going to go ahead and debit our agent for air freight. I'll say $80. And then I'll add another line to credit them on behalf of the money we collected from the customer. Freight as well. And I'll say something like $65. And I continue on adding lines from here. Once I'm done, I press Confirm. And I can print. And you can see on screen here our debit of $80 and our credit of $65. So due to our overseas agent, we owe them of $15.